This is code.org. Let's see what we have. Write a no argument constructor in the dessert class to assign default values for the instance variables. Import your dessert class from your backpack. Don't have it or doesn't work. We can copy it here. However, I should have it. Import. There we are. Okay. And so we need a no argument constructor. Now, what that means is normally when we instantiate a class, and what do I mean by that? I'm just going to go throw something here. We'll do dessert. What type of dessert? I'll just say cake equals new dessert. Boom, 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 right? Okay. And so now what this does is it says, let's make it private, access modifier. All right, it says I'm going to create a new, we don't need that. I'm going to create a new variable cake. It's going to be of type dessert, and it is going to be, I need you to run or assign whatever's in this class. Now there's not a method over here named dessert, but what is really occurring is there is something kind of getting executed behind the scenes where it would be something like this. It is it's the instantiation of the object, and this is the constructor. So normally the constructor, if there's none actually here, it's just going to have these values and not have anything assigned to them. But the constructor allows us now, when someone runs it like this, the program knows, oh no, they've written out their own, I have to run this code, right? So it will still allow them to instantiate this class and give it that object's values, but now we have some freedom to add or change things when they first generate an object. Like here, they want us to give it a flavor of plain. So now we can just say flavor is going to be equal to plain. Oops. And then they want us to do price equal to 0.50, apparently, right? And we can probably include a comment just for good procedure. Something like that. Anything you think is good, that would work fine. So great, now we have a constructor that will get executed here. What do they want us to do after that? It looks like I've already instantiated this. I could be more descriptive here, but I'll leave that off for now. And then they're going to want us to print it, which I'm just going to copy this so I don't have to write it all out. Boom. And then the name of my object was just cake. Boom, boom, boom. Looking good. Do we have to print out any more of it? Okay, let's see. Nope. Cool. But if we wanted to see, guys, which I kind of do, so I'm going to go a bit overboard. Oh, does it have a name method? It doesn't, and these are private. Okay, so I'm going to just make this public for a second, because that's going to allow me to do this. Just print it out directly. Plain. See? It works. All right, let me switch that back. Let me get rid of that. I should probably add a few comments here showing that I understand it. But again, you don't need to over-comment, but do have brief comments showing that you've mastered these concepts. Regardless, onwards.